Got a cool in the building.
Are you recording me?
Yeah, cool.
It's almost my birthday.
Why you?
Median.
Oh my god.
These are fire. So good. These are fire.
All right, you wanna do the intro?
What's your channel called? Hey y'all, what's up? Today we're here with Christopher Ogbonna and me, the guest star, Akua.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
Today we are recording a birthday shoot.
We're about to make some fire. So subscribe, like the video, let's get it.
Birthday shoot going up.
Now, just so you guys have an idea of how I lit this shoot, we're gonna be doing a beauty dish, 22-inch beauty dish with a AD400 III in front of her and a little to the left. You can also see that I've got a 32-inch umbrella up there behind me to the right. That's just giving overall lighting to the entire shot. Because I didn't want the background to be too dark. So Cool reached out to me like a week before her birthday. Talking like 2 weeks before her birthday, and we were trying to put together a photo shoot for her. And we hopped on Pinterest, looked at a few ideas. She wanted something, obviously really creative, and so ultimately we decided on this look with the flowers in the pants. And she got some extra flowers and put them in her hair as well, which I thought was extremely cool, with some safety pins. And we decided to see what looks we can get. So here we go. Tilt your head a little bit more that way. Close your eyes. Yep. I'm not watching, so I'm like missing it, but that's perfect. All right, give me, yep. All right, freestyle through it for just a sec so you look relaxed. Yep, boom. There you go. Where you at, Cool? Where you at, Cool? Ooh, that leg up. Go back to that one. She said, what was I doing? He's like, go. What are we making here? What's going on? What are you doing?
Making magic.
Okay, so she's got the paper clips.
These are safety pins.
These are safety pins.
So one thing you guys will notice in the bottom right of the screen, I have that phone holder that's attached to the light stand. I oftentimes have models or clients come over and they want to set their phone up, record themselves, really for their IG reels, for whatever else they want to create. All right, they want to create content. And so I figured, hey, let's just make this available for whoever wants to use it. And it's just really, it's a lot more convenient than them putting it on the floor or like putting it on one of the light stand legs. And also that way, the model doesn't have to worry as much about recording. I actually hit the record button since it's right there next to me. So keep that in mind when you're doing shoots and such.
Let's go. Look, you see it?
Oh shit, y'all fucking
So one thing I started doing is tethering my camera up to my laptop, and I've got it on a standing desk in complete view, which is great because it gives us a chance to both kind of review the photos, see what we like, and right then and there, instead of having to look at the camera, we can just look at the laptop. You can do the edits right in the camera, which is fantastic. So you know what the photo will look like in post when you finally get it to the computer. So it's great.
Right there. You want your arm to look? Yeah.
I want it to look like a twig.
Would it make sense to give you something? Let me see, hold on. Let me see if this makes sense, because if it does, it does. If not, chill out, bro. Ooh, it's a little too bright, hold on. Safety pins?
What? Oh. No, I meant the part that doesn't have flowers.
Quick thing to keep in mind, I've known Akua for some years, and so we have this kind of rapport. I don't recommend talking to any client that you have the way I do because we've just got a special relationship. Just heads up.
Oh, that's nice.
Knock those out real quick. You ready?
Yes.
Let me see. There it is. Exactly what I'm looking for. All right, come on. We got 1 minute. What you gonna do? Boom. Boom. Go back to that. Go back to that.
Oh, wait. These guys? I mean, what the hell?
You don't like that?
What? My hair's sticking out?
Wait, ain't my fault you got that dookie braid hanging out?
Oh my God.
Everything else is straight. Tell you what, hold on, I'm gonna move this real quick. Do that same thing, yeah, do that same thing, that front hand coming forward and like leaning towards me this way. Yeah, that's too much here. No, go back.
Oh, you're recording!
Cool, you ready to get this, man? Oh God, Megan needs. Hey, Megan. What we gonna do? We gonna make some magic?
We gonna make some magic. We gonna make some magic.
Hit that out of here.
Yeah.